Today we have the Fitbit Inspire 3 and the Amazfit Bip free smartwatch. Let's take a look at both of these devices now so you can choose which one is right for you. The Amazfit Bip free smartwatch is a budget-friendly smartwatch with a variety of key features including comprehensive fitness tracking, health monitoring, and smartwatch functionality. The fitness tracking is one of its strongest suits, allowing you to track a whole range of activities including running, cycling, swimming, yoga, strength training, and much more. And for each activity, the Bip 3 provides detailed metrics such as pace, distance, heart rate, calories burned, and steps taken. You can also set fitness goals and track your progress over time, but it also has built-in GPS so you can track your route and distance during those outdoor workouts. The Bip 3 provides personalized insight and recommendations to help you improve your health. For example, if the Bip 3 detects that you are stressed, it can recommend breathing exercises to help you relax. It also has a number of other smartwatch features such as timer, alarm, and weather forecast. The Bip 3 does feature a lightweight and stylish design, but it's also water resistant up to 50 meters and a long battery life of up to 14 days on a single charge. The Fitbit Inspire 3 is a slim and stylish fitness tracker with a variety of features and selling points that make it a great choice for people who are looking for an affordable, easy to use, and feature-rich fitness tracker. The Inspire 3 offers comprehensive fitness tracking features including steps, distance, calories burned, active minutes, and heart rate. In addition to fitness tracking, the Inspire 3 also offers a variety of health monitoring features such as sleep quality and duration tracking, which will provide insights into your sleep stages. It also tracks your stress levels and heart rate variability. The Inspire 3 is also a smartwatch, so it can receive notifications from your smartphone, control music playback, and set timers and alarm. And another selling point of the Inspire 3 is its incredibly long battery life. It has a long battery life of up to 10 days, so you don't have to worry about it running out of power in the middle of the day or during a workout, because there is simply nothing worse than that.